see, not much has changed in terms of our metrics that we are using to measure performance. But what has definitely changed is that the weightage and importance we give to each of the parameters. Like suppose if you say forecast accuracy, that now in today's context is not very important from a overall operating model perspective, because we all know that we are operating in an uncertain environment. But what is very important, then that weightage shifts to fill rates, because all said and done, as a business entity, you have to deliver your fill rates and make sure that you don't lose out on orders. And similarly, the focus on cost is there, but beyond cost, service levels in terms of delivering goods on time and making sure that the customer requirements is met, come what may happen. If you can delight, very very good. If not, then at least meet it. So this way, there's a lot of change in the focus we are putting, an emphasis we are putting on the different parts of the KRA, and also putting up some new analytics role which were not so critical in the erstwhile scenario, or was critical, but organizations kept slipping on that okay, we'll see what to do, not to do. But those roles purely towards end-to-end data mapping, in terms of, like, if you see, typically supply chain looks at the FG related times and lead times, etc. But now we are looking at ways where we can map end-to-end, from sourcing to delivery, the whole chain lead times. And people should have those KRAs to make sure that the whole lead time is crunched rather than one part of it. Because if that one part is not leading overall reduction in customer or consumer response time, then it is of not much use to the organization. So we are looking at everything more from a consumer or customer point of view, and laying those emphasis on that. But the fundamentals of business haven't changed, and they will, I guess, will not change.